Some forever flower imagery. Today I'm Melton. See my contact, think yours. See these flowers, think your favorite flowers. Think your car, think your friends. Try to call me, 424-229-4140. See the devil stealing your call and your imagery. Then come see me in person. 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, Apartment 409, Los Angeles, California, 90065. Let me design you a nice contact image. We'll print these out as a 4x6 photo, 2 to a 4x6 photo, 4 to a 4x6 photo. That will fit in anybody's wallet. And yeah, text them, email. It's better than just writing your number down on a piece of paper. Come see me. Let me get you that contact image. Some skyline imagery today. Yeah, I started doing my 4x6, and for the month we'll have more than 28,000. Follow the links on youtube.com/Melton for imagery and find 27,000 graphic art photos from Melton. Download, print me out. I'll keep you company on that desk, on that nightstand, on that tabletop, and yeah, started doing that for the month. Quick month, February. Try to call me, 424-229-4140 to get a nice image, a nice skyline image designed, or a flower image, or a shadow image. See the devil stealing your call. Make a video of that. That's Lifeline censorship as well. And come see me in person, 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, Apartment 409. I'm Melton, son of a carpenter and Mary. Daddy carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann, son of a carpenter and Mary. And want to say happy Valentine's Day to all those attractive blonde and near blonde girls out there. Find your gift from me at these sites. Oh, just look for the graphic art itself, and also look for the 4x6 graphic art photos. Download 27,000 of those, prepared as 4x6 photos. So that you can print us out when you print out your family's photos. If you're going to find something you like in 27,000, come see me and go to be endless imagery. Melton skyline imagery. This February 1st, 2019. Have wit, will travel. Try to call me and tell me all about your skyline. Nice place to design imagery around, or perhaps a nice place to build Jesus' immaculate house at. And see the devil stealing your call. Religious censorship that affects our lifelines. So make a video of that, 424-229-4140. Timestamp on your phone, the number dial. Those stealing your calls to me are worried enough about their crimes to alter phone records to cover it up. Get that on video, and yes, certify your mail as well. Come see me in person. Show me that great place. Some forever flower imagery today. I'm Melton, graphic artist. See my contact, think your contact. Make a nice 4x6 photo, contact card, 2 to a 4x6 photo, 4 to a 4x6 photo. That would fit your wallet, anybody's wallet. Try to call me. Oh, Bambi, Darlene, I've got your contact image. Try to call me, 424-229-4140. See the devil stealing your call. Come see me in person. Yes, in Eagle Rock, where the rainbows are. Come see me. Let me put you right there in Melton's imagery. Some Forever Flower imagery today. Try to call me. Oh, Amanda Ashley. I got your contact image, but you gotta come see me in person to get it, because you're gonna try to call me. 424-229-4140. You're gonna see the devil stealing your call. Don't let that devil steal beauty from this world. Come see me in person. That's my address, 4260 Eagle Boulevard, apartment 409, Los Angeles, California, 90065. Neighborhood in northern Los Angeles. Come see me in person and let me define graphic art with your beauty. Melton's Forever Flower imagery. I am Melton. Got a favorite flower? Girls, I can put your contact on that flower. That's a forever flower. You never have to water it again. It's an image. Print it out as a 4x6, 8x10 photo. Use it for your desktop. Email it to your friends. Try to call me, 424-229-4140. See if the devil is stealing your contact image. Come see me in person. Let me design a forever flower image. Also can design your car into an image. You, your friends. It's up to you. Come see me in person in Eagle Rock here. Susan B. Anthony Day tomorrow, the 15th. And yes, the 16th is Do a Grouch a Favor Day. Got those two in with my Forever Flower imagery and my Skyline imagery. Check it out, and oh yeah, unfolk-truth.blogspot.com. I think on Daffodilia too, you can follow the links and they will show you how to register to vote. Do that, and yes, remember to make a video of your hijack call to me, 424-229-4140. Not one 9/11 Flight 93 check of America's lifelines in over a decade of asking. Get that on video. Phone gate. Some Forever Flower imagery today, along with some Skyline imagery. A George Washington's birthday and Cherry Pie Day. Got a day for me to design an image around. Try to call me, 424-229-4140, and see our livelihoods stolen. Whatever boring thing you get, phone ringing, error message, busy signal, it's not going to be boring. You need the firemen, police, paramedics. Money out of your pocket. When you're calling countless other customers, you get that. So that whoever can be the top name in their business. Make a video of that. It's also lifeline censorship as well as religious censorship. You can't tell me what you believe. Can't ask what I mean by Jesus is immaculate house. Those stealing your calls to me word enough about that, their crimes, to alter phone records, cover them up. Get that on video. Come tell me all about that day then. I am Melton, and this is my latest flower imagery and Skyline imagery. No, I'm not making money with my graphic art because of the active participation of the LA Fire Department in religious censorship. Yes, the placing of a cowardly Hussein in our White House right after we got attacked by a whole lot of cowardly Husseins. Make that video of you trying to call me to tell me what you think about this image or tell me what you believe. And also call up all non-emergency numbers of the LA Fire Department. Call them at home. Ask them, why can't I reach Melton? What's your very active part in it? Denying him proper medical treatment on a few occasions. Will we get the same treatment as tourists if we go out there to California? Get the reaction post. Milton's Skyline Imagery. Yeah, I just designed one image today. One series of images. I'm working on finishing up my January 2019 stuff. Have wit, will travel. Show me that great place to design imagery around. And yeah, try to call me to tell me about it. See the devil stealing your call. 424-229-4140. Make a video of that. That's lifeline censorship. And you don't know when else your phone won't be allowed to work. I've been asking for over a decade for that first 9/11 Flight 93 check, and I have yet to get one. Make that video of America's hijacked lifelines. Remember to Semper Fi certify you mail to me as well. But it takes just 5 minutes to 9/11 Flight 93 check and post in 5. Some Forever Flower imagery today, and also a couple of days. White t-shirt day on the 11th. I'm a little late, and so for this one too, I'm a little late. National See if they have insurance, then decide if they are an organ donor or recipient day on, yes, the 14th. Before you check that box, realize they will be looking at your driver's license or ID card in the emergency room. Try to call me, 424-229-4140. Make a video of America's hijacked lifelines. Post. We the people must be the reporters. Some shadow imagery. On a rainy Sunday in Los Angeles. Also flower imagery, and I threw in a definition of the streets. Imagerypage.blogspot.com is where you can find a whole lot of other Melton's graphic art, and Melton's graphic art prepared as 4x6 photos. I like gold here. Print this out. We'll keep you company on that desk, on that nightstand, on that tabletop. Come see me in person to be in this imagery. But yeah, try to call me, 424-229-4140, and see why you must come in person. Devil steals your calls. Melton's imagery for the day. Some Forever Flower imagery. Some small star flowers there. See my contact, think your contact. I can put your contact right there. Or you could bring me your favorite flowers, girls. And I can turn them into a nice contact image, make for a nice desktop. You can email them or text them to your friends. And yes, a 2 to a 4x6 print, a 4 to a 4x6 print, the driver's license size, a fit your wallet, or the big 4x6. Want somebody to know your number, your address? Just hand them that photo. Oh, laminate's going to last real long. And yeah, come see me in person because the devil steals your calls to me. See that right now, 424-229-4140. Come get your Forever Flower imagery. Happy Valentine's Day. All hot blondes out there. Near blondes too. Jennifer, Darlene, got your contact image. And don't think I forgot you on Valentine's Day. Try the Love Emergency line, 424-229-4140, and see the devil stealing your call to me. Melt. Make a video of that. That's lifeline censorship. Then come see me in person up here in Eagle Rock, a neighborhood in northern Los Angeles. 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, apartment 409, Los Angeles, California, 90065. Bring your favorite flowers. I'll turn them into forever flowers. Never have to water them again. Print them out 1,000 times, but you got to come see me in person to get those forever flowers. Do that. As you know, it's Chinese Puppet Day weekend. And it is raining. Make sure you drive carefully. And yes, this is my latest image here. When we start having presidents again, I'll retitle this image. Make a video of your hijack call to me, not one 9/11 Flight 93 check in a decade of asking. Yes, I'm Milton. No certified mail, no non-certified mail about those 9/11 Flight 93 checks of America's Lifelines. You don't know when else your phone won't be allowed to work. So certified mail, FedEx, make a video up first. UPS. It takes just 5 minutes to make that video of this President's Day of your hijack call to me. Do that so we can get a real one in there. Milton's latest Forever Flower imagery. Just the one today. Bring me your favorite flowers, girls. I'll turn them into forever flowers. Never have to Walmart again. Oh, you can print them out 1,000 times. Use them for your desktop. Oh, that's my desktop monitor, my TV here. Use them for your desktop, email them to your friends, print them out as 4x6s, 8x10s. It's up to you. Much or as little contact as your Forever Flower image as you want. Many different versions of it. One just your number, one just your address. It's up to you. But you gotta come see me in person because the devil steals your calls. Try to call me right now and see that. And come see me in person.